All right, so this week we're going to be looking at slope and y-intercept. This is something that we've done plenty of times, okay? We've used this formula a lot. Remember, we put this in our calculator as a fraction, alpha, y equals 1, okay? So on a graph, you need to make sure you're finding two good points, and a good point means that it's going to be on the corner of your boxes. So see how this dot is right at the corner of the box. This is at the corner of the box. So we have our 2 points already. So we're going to take them off of the graph and write them down. So I have my x, I have my y, okay? My first ordered pair is -3, 6, and then I have 0, 4, okay? So now I'm going to put this in my calculator. It's the second y minus the first one. That's going to be the numerator of your fraction. And the denominator of your fraction is going to be the second x minus the first one. Okay? So here's my calculator. I'm going to hit alpha, y equals, and the number 1. Okay? So my second y is 4. So I'm going to put 4 minus 6 as my numerator. 4 minus 6. Down arrow. My next 2 points are 0, -3. So that goes in my denominator. So 0 minus -3. Enter. So our slope is -2/3. Okay, that's it. So if you're just trying to find the slope of a line, you're done. You're done here. Boop, there's the slope. Okay, and you can see there's the answer. Your slope is always going to be attached to your variable. Okay, so see how that -2/3 is attached to the x? Now, this +4 represents your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is where your line touches the y-axis. So remember, your y-axis goes up and down, up and down. So you just take your finger, bloop, 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 bing, it touches at 4. What type of 4? It's a +4, okay? So you put +4 right here, and now you have your equation. You have your slope in front, and it can go on the back, but just remember, it's going to be the number that's attached to the x, okay? So I have my slope, and then I have my y-intercept.